We are a family of 4 who traded in the American dream for a life of exploration. The Road to Tiny Living series shows our 10-day cross-country road trip from Massachusetts to California as we visit various iconic U.S. parks and cities.
Mom, do you mind telling us where we are?
Do I mind what? Oh, good morning!
Turn it on, let's go.
So we are rolling into the Arches National Park. It is expected to be something like 100 and how many degrees? Maybe
7, I think.
7 or 108 degrees today. So we decided to get started early by coming out here. It's 7:51 Mountain Standard Time. So we're gonna try to get in and out before the peak of the heat. Yeah, it's not even 8 o'clock and the park is closed.
Well, that was fun.
We were given the gentle invitation to return in 3 to 4 hours, but that would put us in the middle of the desert where it was 113 degrees by noon. Nope, no thanks. Instead, we hopped in the hotel pool and made plans to go back to the park just before sunset.
Got him!
Wow.
How did you Come in, Mama!
I am. It's so cold.
Even though it's hot out here, it's cold?
It's refreshing. Have you been out here yet?
No.
Nena loca, me tiene loco en la cabeza cuando me tocas. Siento que todo está bien, pero en verdad yo no sé si tú lo sientes también. Entonces quiero saber por qué desde que te vi yo vivo diferente.
So the really nice thing about Arches National Park is it has something for everyone. If your goal is to stay in the car and drive and see the scenes from your car, you can do that and drive for miles. If you are looking for handicap accessible trails, they have that. If you're a more experienced hiker and you're looking for a challenge, Devil's Garden Trail runs about 8 miles. Now we're here with 2 kids, a 4-year-old and an 8-year-old, so we opted for the scenic drive as well as shorter hikes. Along the drive, you'll see beautiful rock formations, and you can pull off at numerous locations if you want to get out and get photos, video, or join some of these trails. Now the highlight for us was the short hike to the north and south windows. If you're visiting this park, I would recommend dedicating 2, maybe 3 days if you want to see the full park. One way to be able to do that is by staying at one of the campgrounds within the park. They actually have 52 sites. They're open year-round. They have water access, flushing toilets. They have group tent sites. While there aren't accommodations for RVs within the site, just outside of the site there is BLM land. So if you wanted to dry camp out there, you have multiple options. A wonderful recommendation for anyone visiting the site is to arrive super early and catch sunrise, or like we did, make sure you catch the sunset. It is absolutely life-changing. No me importa a mí lo que dice la gente, porque tú siempre la prendes candela, te quiero a mi lado toda la vida, mi nena, la mano pegada y los pies en la arena, pase lo que pase, baby, vale la pena, porque tú siempre la prendes candela. As homeschoolers, we are often looking for plenty of opportunities to teach our children. So national parks such as this one have lots of information throughout the park, throughout the different trails, to explain the geology as well as plants and wildlife that exist within this habitat. Look, in addition to sharing our experiences with you, our goal is also to encourage viewers to stop simply dreaming about the places they want to see, but to get out and live out their dreams. If you've been wanting to see or do something, write it down, start making a plan, and get out there and live out your dreams. Your dreams are more attainable than you realize. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, show us some love. Click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and make sure you tap that bell next to the subscribe button and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for our next video as we are almost at the end of our journey.